Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video I will share garden decor ideas. So let's start with the video. Creative eye, beautiful entrance. The entrance is the first thing people notice. Make it warm and welcome by placing matching flower pot on both sides of the gate or outdoor. Add colorful flower, green planter that stay healthy throughout the season. You can also place a small welcome sign or a decorative lantern near the entrance. Simple detail create a lasting first impression. Designing a stone pathway, a garden pathway, add beauty and encourage visitors. Touch your outer space. You can use natural stones, gravel, wooden slides, decorative pebbles, and friends. Decorate with a different flower pot instead of using identical pots. Make different shape and size. Use terracotta pot, ceramic pot, wooden planter, metal bucket. Group them together rather than placing them far apart. Different heights make the arrangement look professionally designed. So viewers, my next idea is friends. Cozy sitting area. Every garden should have a comfortable place to sit. Choose a wooden bench, a swivel chair, or simple outdoor chair. Add cushions and small table for tea or coffee. Place the sitting area under a tree near flowering plant for extra beauty. This corner may become your favorite place to read and relax. And we will add a hanging basket. So, friends, so I hope you are enjoying my videos, friends. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So friends, Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video. Take care and Khuda Hafiz.